What's up guys, and welcome to the 5th tutorial of programming in Java using Eclipse. And in this tutorial it's all about class/static variables. So without further ado, let's start the video. Okay, so the first thing you gotta do is right click this src and then go right to class, and we can call this employee again if we need to, and we can tick this, press finish. But before we actually start coding this, we can just explain what is a static variable. So class variables are also known as static variables that are declared with the static keyword in a class but outside a method, constructor, or a block. Static variables are rarely used other than being declared as constants. Constant variables are declared as public, private, final, and static. Constant variables never change from the initial value. Static variables are created when a program starts but destroyed when the program stops. Okay, we can now go right to the top and type in private static double and then salary. Close that off. So salary variable is private static variable, and then we can go to the next line and type in public static final string and then department, all in capitals, equals development, and then we can close this one off. So this is a constant. Then we can go to the next line, get rid of all of this, and type in salary equals 100. 100, close that off, go to the next line. Not even 100, 1000. Go to the next line and type in system and we can say department. So if you just copy this, paste that in there, and say plus speech marks average salary colon plus, copy this, paste it in there. So we should have something like development average salary. Alright, let's execute this. But before we actually execute this, let's just run through the program and see what's actually happening. But before we even do anything, we need to import java.io. Okay, it's not even being used, but we leave that in case we require it for the near future. So we have a program that demonstrates the class and static variables, where it says private static double salary. Salary variable is a private static variable. Department is then a constant, and then it all just gets printed out. So if I run this, we'll see what happens. Development average salary is 1000. Put a space in there, run this again, and there you go. Development average salary $1,000. Alright, that's it for this video. I'll see you guys in the next tutorial. Thanks for now.